Oh, hi! How did I get into motorcycles? Do it! How did I get into motorcycle? Well, very easy. You know, just kind of a bit of background, you know, from me to you. It's interesting because motorcycles, it was always cool, you know. To me, it always looked cool. The funniest thing is my wife, one time I asked her, what are you gonna do? Or, you know, I forgot what I was talking about, and she said she was gonna go ride motorcycle, or, you know, and then this is like, and I'm a huge car advocate, right? Like a huge enthusiast. Oh, shit. Whoa! Woo! Look at that! You beat the red light! Oh, shit. Woo! So, okay. Anyway, she said she was gonna go ride motorcycle or something like that, and I was just like, what? And I try to say everything, you know, in a way where to deter her from doing it, because the truth is I didn't want to be a pussy. The truth was that I'm the one who's, you know, scared. Chicken crap. That's me. So I try to convince her that it's not good. Truth is, I was so scared, and probably for her life too, but, you know, you're overhearing everybody else said how dangerous it was, and maybe it is, you know, maybe it is, but so is driving, so is walking, so is everything, you know. Anyway, so the point I'm trying to make is that I'm making this video just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea how I got into it and this whole motorcycle riding, and if you know, maybe it makes sense, maybe you might want to give it a shot yourself. If you like this video, please hit a like that guy right there, and also subscribe as well. I would really appreciate it. It'll, you know, push me to make more videos, cool videos like this. So yeah, I'm a huge car enthusiast. You know, I'm just like you guys. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos, cars, you know, and I somehow found myself gravitated toward convertibles, you know. I guess I could qualify as a, you know, douchebag driver that could like to drive fast. You know, that was me. Except I got into convertibles and stuff, and instantly I just like the wind in my hair, you know. It's just real cool. So I started driving all these convertibles. You know, I had a Z, 350Z convertible, 370Z convertible, Audi R8 convertible. And then one day my boy, Dominic, the guy who, one of my brothers, you know, brother from another mother, he was like, look at this guy, this chick driving real fast. So he goes, hey, how come you don't, you know, try riding motorcycle? I'm like, why am I gonna do that? He's like, dude, if you like convertible, then maybe you should try motorcycles. I'm like, thanks, but no thanks, you know. And I forgot exactly how it went down, but one day I ended up riding bitch behind him on his big ass hog, and I was scared, man. To be honest with you, I'm still scared. I probably wouldn't even do it. Even now, I wouldn't do it. I was very, very scared. I was scared for my life, really. But, you know, he was cool. You know, he didn't do anything scary or anything. I just wasn't used to it. So then, next thing I know, I found myself at the lake, the parking lot at the lake with him, with my buddy Dom, right, you know, trying to practice the friction zone, you know, the first gear around the lake, you know. I guess I gave in, you know. I mean, it's funny because my first time I sat on that bike was a 150cc. I think it was like a Honda Shadow or something like that. I remember I was sitting first gear, probably doing like 20 miles an hour, 15 maybe, and I just like felt peace, you know, felt peace. That Shadow scared the crap out of me. What the hell was that? So I felt like, you know, damn, this is freedom. Mind you, I was doing first gear, doing like 15 miles an hour, just at the lake, and I felt like huge freedom, you know, just like, damn, this is freedom. Why the hell did I listen to all the people or everybody out there that keep telling me how dangerous it was, you know? And I get it, it's dangerous, but guns don't kill people, right? People kill people. Just like here, you know, motorcycle don't kill people. You know, people that ride motorcycle recklessly kill people. So that was my first, you know, journey into this motorcycle riding. So it was basically I just starting to, you know, practice riding with Dom's bike, the Honda Shadow. We called it, we gave it a name called the Steve McQueen motorcycle. I don't know why I call it that, because I saw a movie once. But anyway, so kind of, you know, just like a weekend thing, practice on that bike for like 2 or 3 weeks, and I realized something, that, you know what, if I was ever gonna get good at this, I need my own motorcycle. I need to be pod committed, you know. So then I went out and bought a Kawasaki Ninja 300. You know, here's the thing, right? When you're new, you kind of still want to look cool, like a poser, you know. Oh, that was me. I wanted to look cool, so I ended up getting like a Ninja 300. I still wanted to look cool, like I'm on a sport bike. But that Ninja 300 wasn't really, you know, it's not really aggressive leaning, right? You're still kind of sitting upright, you know. And I'm a big dude, you know. I'm like 6 feet tall. I weigh like 100. Well, at the time, actually, I weigh now. My weight now is 235, and at the time it's probably like 250, 260, or 270. So yeah, I'm sure I look like a King Kong. So then I did that. I started getting better. Then I traded my Ninja 300 for a Panigale 899, the white one with the red wheels. And I did that. And then at the same time, my buddy Dom goes, hey, you know, you like that sport bike thing, why don't you like try cruisers? So I looked at him like, a cruiser, and he goes, yeah, my hog. Well, first of all, it's very intimidating, you know, to be riding a big ass motorcycle. But you know, I was like, what the hell? Let's try it, right? At this point, I'll try anything, you know, if it has 2 wheels. So, and I figured, how bad could it be? You know, I mean, I started the Steve McQueen Honda Shadow bike, you know, 150cc. That's the one I practiced on. I mean, how bad could it be, right? So anyway, my first attempt on that big ass hog of his, I dropped his bike. He wasn't mad. He was cool. He was like, oh man, you know, he didn't even say that. He just like, oh hey, just pick it up. You know, I feel kind of bad there. But then anyway, I gave it, you know what? It was kind of fun actually, because I didn't have to lean forward, hurt my wrist, nothing. I ended up borrowing it for like a day or two, you know. And I ended up buying a Harley. And my first Harley was a Harley Breakout CVO. I bought it from Texas. It was an orange one. Pretty flashy. Now here's what happened. That bike literally almost broke my back. I have no knowledge of, you know, the fairing on the motorcycle or anything like that. So I ended up riding that Harley, that Breakout CVO, like on long rides. And supposedly I couldn't. Basically, it threw my sciatic nerve, and I had to go to therapy and everything. In fact, I came to a point where I have to give up the riding. You know, like I didn't want to give it up. But I found out what it was. It was a sciatic disc or nerve, you know, and that's what it is. So I had to go through a bit of therapy, and then I did some research on the forum. On a motorcycle forum, I found out that the motorcycle, you know, like Harley, the Breakout CVO, or anything that doesn't have a hard, like the fairings, it's gonna hurt you, you know, when you're up there doing 80, 90 for a long time. Well, then I got smart. I ended up buying the Street Glide CVO, and damn, I love that bike. Yep, Street Glide CVO, and I'll do a video on that bike too for you guys, because that's one of my favorite bikes. And that thing has music, has nav, everything. It was it's like car on wheels, man. Hang on one second. So anyway, I ended up selling that CVO. I sold the CVO, the Breakout CVO. Oh man, I gotta say hello to these dudes. It's so cool. I have a Harley too, guys, but it's at home. What's up, dudes? So I sold my Breakout CVO and got a Street Glide CVO, and I never looked back, man. So I still have the Street Glide CVO right now, and I have here Super. And then I sold my $8.99 Panigale and got $12.99 Panigale, $12.99 and then I sold that. I got this guy right here, $12.99 Superleggera. So as currently right now speaking, I have the CVO, Street Glide CVO for my cruising, and I got this Ducati $12.99 for my sport bike ride, and I got the the car. You guys check out all the other videos. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys want to check the car stuff out. But yeah, oh man, what's going on here? Why does this person stop here? Oh, scary. But that's it. That's my story. You know, I mean, I've been riding at this point for about 4 years. Going on 5, so I think I'm a relatively pretty new guy. I mean, I can ride canyons, I can do long trips, no problem. And I love it, In fact, my advice to anyone want to learn how to ride, just be humble, like learn everything about it, because it takes some skills, to learn how to ride properly, like right now I'm looking around the whole time when I'm riding to see who's behind me and all that kind of stuff. But yes, so I've been riding for about 4 years, going on 5, and I love it. I wish I would, the thoughts I have in my head the whole time when I started riding my first year, like why the hell didn't I do this sooner, man? I should have done this 10 years sooner, And the lesson here is basically don't listen to other people. You know what I mean? Do you, man. Like, I wish I would have done it 10 years ago. I really wish I did. That would have made me a happy man. And here I am. Now, basically, I ride. I still love the exotic cars. I still love, Lambos and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, man, I'm always gonna want to be riding my motorcycles. I don't care, dude. I'm never gonna quit. And that's it. That's my story on this whole Lamborghini. Not Lamborghini, sorry. My Ducati, the motorcycle was Harley. So my motorcycle riding adventure. Anyway, please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like. If you can comment, it would be great too. Let me know what your thoughts are, like when you started riding. And of course, hit subscribe. That would push me to make more videos like this. I'm trying to make even cooler videos. But at the same time, look, the point of it is that let me hear your thoughts, Anyway, this Pony Diamond